Well, so this hasn't really solved the issue though yet of like what do we do if we want to draw 200 circles? Do we have to like create all these different variable or these values here manually and then reference them like this line by line, 200 of these lines to draw the 200 circles? That would be annoying. So, well, let's just do the annoying way once so that we can see how annoying it actually is. And I have this code off on the side, so and I'll talk you through it rather than type it out. So here we create an array for to contain the y values of our circles, and we have two values because we intend to draw two circles, one starting at a y value or a height of 0 and the other starting lower on the screen at a value of 100y. Then we create a second array for the speed of our circles. And just to clarify what's going on, I'm going to change this value to 2. So the circle that starts lower down on the screen is going to travel faster. It's going to travel at 2 pixels per frame. Then we have our draw loop, and we set the background color to erase the, so that our animation will show and not just overwrite on the screen and leave a trail. Then here we're going to handle the first circle. Awesome. All right, so we have circle at index 0, so we'll call it circle 0. And here's all the code for circle 1. And you can see that this is kind of annoying. Like, you have to handle the edge cases for each circle. You have to, like, when it hits the boundary, and when you could do this, but really, do you want to do this for like 5 circles, 10, 200? 2,000? There have to be a way, right, to handle 2,000 circles on the screen and not have to do this over and over and over. You may remember I have a sign on my door that says, do not repeat yourself. Well, this is the definition of repeating yourself in code. You don't ever want to do this. Once you see yourself starting to write the same thing in slight variations over and over and over, that's a good indication that there is a better way. And so if we run this program, it will work. It will show 2 circles, the one on the right bouncing faster than the one on the left. So we accomplished our task, but we did it in a very inelegant and non-expandable way. So we couldn't just very quickly add a 3rd circle and a 4th circle and a 5th circle. We're kind of stuck here. We've sort of painted ourselves into a corner with the technique with which we're using to access the arrays. There is a better way, and we're going to talk about that in the next video.